Welcome Filipino food lovers! My name is Joy, and with this channel, I want to share my love for Filipino food with you. I started cooking Filipino recipes when I was 12 years old to help my parents while working around the farm. Into this video, you will learn the critical differences between dry and wet adobo. There are two types of adobo. Some chefs say that the dry adobo is the traditional method of making adobo. You soak the meat in vinegar, marinate it overnight, and then simmer until the liquid evaporates. The meat ends up frying in its fat, tender and supple inside but crispy on the outside. The liquid does not evaporate for wet adobo, or more liquid is added at the end of the cooking process. The result is more like a stew with a sauce that turns into gravy, perfect for pouring over rice. The two types of adobos once had their name. Dry adobos were adobo, whereas wet adobos were adobado, which translate into the little siblings of adobo. Let me know in the comments below if you prefer dry adobo or wet adobo. I would love to hear from you. If you have found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you!